In this video, we'll discuss rules of exponents that make computations involving exponents easier. The first rule is that if we have two exponents with the same base multiplied together, then we can just take that base and add the two exponents. Similarly, if one of these exponents is divided by the other, we can just subtract the exponents. Whenever your base is raised to the power of 0, you get 1. Now the only exception is if x, the base, is equal to 0, and then this is undefined. If you have an exponent like x to the a and then you raise all of that to the power of b, then you can just multiply the two exponents, x to the a times b. If your base consists of two factors that are multiplied together, like x times y, and that's raised to the power a, then you can distribute that power and you'll get x to the a times y to the a. Similarly, if you have x divided by y raised to the a power, you can write that as x to the a divided by y to the a. In the following example, we're supposed to simplify the expressions. Here we have a to the 5th power times a to the 6th power times a to the 3rd power. Since all three of these have the same base and they're multiplied together, we can simply add the exponents. That would be 5 plus 6 plus 3 as our new exponent, which gives us a to the 14th power. In our second example, we have 3 squared, and then that's all raised to the 3rd power. So we could write this as 3 to the 2 times 3, or in other words, 3 to the 6th power. Now this could be computed by multiplying this out, 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, we know that's what it means, and then we could start multiplying. This would be 9 times 9 times 9, which would give us 27 times 9, which in turn is 243. Let's check for understanding. Work this one out on your own first, and then come back and check your answer. Here we have 3x to the 5th, and then that entire quantity is raised to the 3rd power. The first thing that we can do is split this up so that we have 3 to the 3rd power multiplied by x to the 5th to the 3rd power. 3 to the 3rd power is 3 times 3 times 3, which is the same as 9 times 3, which is 27. So we have 27x raised to the, well, we have x to the 5th raised to the 3rd power, so we can multiply those two exponents, and we'll get 27x to the 15th power. In the second exercise, we have b to the 5th power divided by b to the 3rd power, which we can simplify by taking b to the 5 minus 3, which is going to be b squared.